Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, what I'm going to show you is how do we create a report that automatically tracks all of your closed won deals. So this helps you identify the amount of revenue you've made till date and also captures the name of those deals and also the number of deals which have been marked as closed won. So let's dive into it. I will go to reports. I'll create a report, custom report. Next, because this is something related to deals, I will select deals as the primary data source. Click on next. I am now custom report UI. Go to filters over here and filter these out by deal stage. I select deal stage. I'll click is any of and one. Oh, good. I just end up marking everything one as I just tick it off so that I have everything captured. I'll click apply, configure. And now what I'll do is I will have the close date in my x-axis, the count of deals on my y-axis. And the moment I do that, it'll start creating a report. And now if you see, it has created a report of all of the closed won deals which are there in my system. Now what I can also do is I can just select weekly to have a weekly breakup of all of those deals. So over here, if you see now, all of these are the close won deals, but they are broken on a weekly basis. So that is how this report can capture all of your close won deals in terms of the number of deals which have been marked as closed ones. Now, if I want to capture the amount which has been closed won or the revenue which I have made through all of these deals, what I can do is I'll remove count of deals for the time being and I'll select amount. I'll bring it over here. And now, if you see when this report refreshes, it'll give me the revenue amount which I've generated by all of these closed loss deals. At the bottom, if you see, this is the report total. And on a breakup basis, these are all of the this is all of the revenue I've made through all of my closed loss deals. So this is how you do it, a very effective way. And another part which I forgot to mention is once you save this report will keep refreshing on a regular basis. So you do not have to reload or refresh it manually. It will just keep refreshing as and when you keep marking deals as closed ones. So in that report total, you'll always get the total of the most recent total of the revenue you've made. So again, a very effective report to capture closed all of your closed deals and the revenue you've generated through those closed deals.